photo of Ivy on here.
These are our new friends that we met. I don't know if you guys are comfortable.
That's completely fine. It's fine. Yeah.
But they get.
I deleted that picture.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, here's this cutie pie.
That looks like my cat a little bit.
It does. I was gonna say
Yeah.
it kind of does
so
look
weird.
like her.
Yeah, she's like, I want to say like half Bengal, half domestic. And we found her in a shelter.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Like,
That's so
Okay,
crazy.
this is her.
Oh
my god.
She looks like
Twin.
like a little more like tortoise shell, you know? Like she has more of a tortoise shell pattern, but you
Yeah.
can definitely see
Yeah.
the bangle coming out on her. What does her belly look
Oh.
like?
like it's like kind of like orange.
Do not encourage that. I've been telling you for years it's not a Bengal. It's just a tabby.
No, I swear she like maybe
Now that I'm
has.
looking at that
I'm
photo-
saying she might be like half Bengal,
It's very real.
and I have proof
Wonder
that she like
If
said.
you can like do a DNA test on like I know you can do DNA tests on dogs, but I didn't know about
You should
cats.
be able to do it for cats too. Like you should be able to take like some of their fur or their whisker or
So
something like that.
those are his cats, but I have a cat, Bella. She's on the channel a lot, and
I can't see
funny,
nothing.
the other day. Every time
Twins.
you guys live together. Or?
No, I'm from Massachusetts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm just here for college.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
For college.
Pitt.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys ready for this?
Yeah, I gotta see it now.
Oh my gosh, he's so
What kind? What kind of cat is that?
He's a Persian.
Oh my god.
Interesting.
Don't we think Chewy's part Persian?
Chewy is
or
a
ragdoll, maybe. I don't know. He's
no. Chewy is more of the big ones.
he's not. I don't think he's a Maine Coon.
Yeah, he is.
She's the chunky one.
Ragdoll.
At my parents' house, they have 5 freaking cats.
That's my dream.
Really?
Sandy.
That's awesome.
Brad was like, I'm sorry, I love you, babe, but we're not having 5 cats. And I agree. Well, here's the thing. Bella is not
Depends on
a...
the cats too.
Yeah, Bella is not a... She is a one cat, but one person too. Like, he hates that he can't pick her up without... We have these things called death mitts. And pick her up. If like...
So shout out to our new friend. Yeah, I know they still have it here. What? You don't like that room?
This one always freaks me out. Like you freaked out about the other stuff, but this is tragic.
It is. I do feel bad. It's hard to see. Are you doing a short on this one too?
No, I'm just gonna. I'm trying not to get the glitter.
I've actually seen the video. I actually saw the video of when he was alive,
Oh.
and they were installing this.
Oh yeah. Wait, did they install it before?
Yeah, he helped install it. I'll show you the video sometime. I feel bad. Those 2 people were really cool. We talked their ear off. They're like, oh. I can't believe that one cat looked like my cat.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Can you imagine like
Wait,
the,
hold on.
what?
Let me just read a little bit to you guys. It's all about me, not you. It's an idolized recreation of the artist's Chicago apartment. Inside, the walls are painted in deep colors. Stars cover the ceiling. The room is inhabited by the dolls and figures Langdon made during the course of her life. Raggedy Ann's, one of whom is anorexic, and a morphine addict on a cot surrounded by pill bottles, the artist's own prescriptions. Throughout the room are personal shrines Langdon created for Patti Smith, Candy Darling, and Jesus. Oh. Others are for the artist herself.
They actually had a.
I just wanted to show, like...
They actually
this
had
is
a
about,
lot
so.
in this room. Like the whole entire room before that was more of this. Like the whole entire floor was was over there. Like, it wasn't just this.
Oh, we see the stores. I never seen the stores.
Oh. Yeah, you know what? That's one thing I noticed. You can notice things that, like, that kind of come out whenever,
I guess she must have been asthmatic.
what's that?
So I guess she must have been asthmatic. There's inhalers. Yeah, this one always disturbs me.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
How are you today?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. So this one, I think, is more about the, how you doing? I forget what this one's about.
I don't know, it's cool. It's like some kind of sand, I heard, I was told. There's like crickets, some swords, some berries. I don't know what these are. A dragon. More swords.
More swords. But this, like,
Oh, here we go. Red gold. From Yasmin. I'm not reading this whole thing to you guys.
that's like that time in Virginia
What?
when you were at the Natural Bridge and you said that, like, I'm not reading all of this.
Yeah.
For a time, they had this as like virtual reality. That was a couple of years ago. I think we did a video there too, when this was the virtual reality. Courtney's reading. Okay, this is the purple. I thought there was a red room in here too.
It looks blue on the screen. Like, it looks like, look at it, it looks blue on the screen.
That's so trippy.
Yeah, it's so weird.
But where's the red one?
It's on the other side.
Oh, okay. If you see in the camera, it's like dark.
I'm gonna run into something. Okay.
Yeah, how do you get to that? Oh, I didn't realize. That's where the red one was.
And then you look back down and you get dizzy. Yeah, I know. Oh, this looks like a cube, but it's actually a corner.
Yeah, it's a. Actually, no, it's not even a cube.
It looked like it from the distance.
It's a cube, bro.
No, but I mean, like, it's the.
Now I'm just looking at it though, I'm like, I don't really see a cube.
No, I mean,
I
like,
see
it's.
a cube, but now it's like,
That's where the projector is.
Yeah, it's just on the wall.
Wow.
Oh. See, I missed all this stuff last time I was here.
I don't know how.
Well, I forgot all about it. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean
Oh,
to.
you're all good. I'm just trying to put something in my pocket. One saying with you.
Huh. The red cube.
I gotta make sure I don't bump into you while we're at
Oh, here.
Oh, yeah. The red cube. Stand by the red cube.
It's so trippy.
See, it has directions too. Turn right, enter doorway to your left. Oh, no, that's that.
Wait, what?
What?
So Danae, the room over there, with the purple box. Danae presents light not as an illuminating factor, but as a tangible entity. The piece's enigmatic violet rectangle, which appears as a painted canvas at first, is in reality an ethereal plane of blue light. No wonder why it turned blue when I was on camera.
Oh.
It beckons visitors to touch and explore its depths, allowing them to indulge in eternal study of the tangible essence of light.
Wow. Interesting. Oh. Oh, they don't have it on it now. Oh, I'll have it starting in a couple of minutes. Oh. This is where you kind of have to have night vision to see it. Give it a couple of minutes, it's going to start.
Oh.
It's a little movie they have. And over there they showed you how they made it. That was really cool. This is something I can relate to. I don't know what that's about. You kind of have to have night vision to see it.
What?
To see this room. Wonder what they're moving around there. Yeah, well, so what do you think so far?
It's pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah.
Just at the dawn of day, the Pinkerton marauders tried to land at Portrait Bay. 'Twas then they met their Waterloo from Vulcan's brawny sons, who repulsed their every movement and silenced all their guns. Some weeks before this tragic act, Carnegie went away to see the banks of Bonnie Doon that Frick might have his say. 'Twas then he wired to Pinkerton, I want 800 strong. One meager day shall be the pay, so bring your thumbs along. Ladies had a
They have it how it's set up, how it's made.
Jesus, what took you so long?
Easy, dollface. Boss hired me to handle the strike, and that's what I've been doing.
Well, you're doing a bang-up job.
Well, this certainly complicates things.
Complicates things?
Well, tomorrow's payday, and somebody's got to write my check. Now, despite the matter at hand, suppose things are still up and running. Suppose we start the train and keep chugging along. Seems the boss did that better than anyone else here. Who's the VP of this outfit?
You've got...
Alright guys, so we are about to enter building 2, where the basement where the movie is. So it's like a half hour. That's what that's about. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think about a half hour long. You have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I'm raising this one.
Alright, so further on we go. There's one more building left. I know there's that little garden.
What?
I know there's that little garden. But this next room is my challenge.
Wait, you didn't go through all the way through?
Yeah, because I got nervous, like, at the top room. I got most of the way. I wonder if my friend is working today there. I made a friend from there.
You should ask him to come with you.
Well, he was working back down there. But yeah, shout out to Connor and I always remember one name. I can't remember the second name. But she was cool. She had the cat that looks like mine. And she said half Bengal. See? She said it. She said half Bengal. Proves my point. She looks like a half Bengal. But anyways.